Hey guys, today I will show you everything you need to know about AlphaEvolve, so let's dive in. So I was checking out this new AI tool that's been getting a lot of attention lately, AlphaEvolve. If you're into advanced coding, AI research, or just fascinated by how algorithms are optimized using machine intelligence, this is something you don't want to miss. So what exactly is AlphaEvolve? AlphaEvolve is an innovative coding agent built on advanced language models. It's designed to discover and optimize algorithms for a wide range of purposes from chip design to solving complex mathematical problems. It combines the problem-solving power of Gemini models with automated evaluators that test and refine solutions in an evolutionary way. So now let's talk about how it works. You give it a problem, and AlphaEvolve doesn't just come up with one answer, it generates multiple ideas, tests them automatically, and evolves the best ones. Think of it like natural selection, but for code. This process has already been used to improve Google's data centers, design more efficient chips, and even speed up AI training pipelines. Now let's talk about real-world impact. One of the most impressive things is how AlphaEvolve helped create faster matrix multiplication algorithms, a core part of many machine learning models. It's also been used to solve open mathematical challenges, showing just how versatile and high level this system really is. Now let's talk about performance. This isn't just theory. AlphaEvolve has directly contributed to the training of large language models, including the ones that power tools like itself. It's not just accelerating research, it's becoming part of the research. Now let's talk about what customers are saying. Of course, AlphaEvolve isn't your everyday consumer product. It's mostly used by researchers, engineers, and developers working on cutting-edge projects. But the feedback from professionals has been overwhelmingly positive. Many say it speeds up discovery, reduces repetitive tasks, and often finds solutions that a human alone might miss. It's like having a genius research assistant that never sleeps. So now let's talk about limitations. AlphaEvolve is incredibly powerful, but it's still being refined. It's not always perfect, and it works best when paired with domain expertise. Also, it's not exactly beginner friendly. This is a tool meant for advanced users who understand complex coding or research workflows. Now let's talk about the final verdict. AlphaEvolve is one of the most advanced and exciting AI coding tools out there. Whether you're pushing the boundaries of AI, optimizing performance in high-stakes systems, or solving mathematical problems, this tool is a game changer. Its potential is huge, and it's already proving its value in some of the most important areas of tech and research today. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.